Today I'm going to show you a luxury new construction model home in a new development in Palm Beach where they're building a town center, a hospital, more higher end amenities to attract businesses and residents, different home designs to choose from, and plenty of options to custom build your home or move in right away without the wait. So if you're looking to buy a home here and want to learn more about what this community has to offer, my name is Rafael Gonzalez. I'm an independent realtor that specializes in new construction and new home communities in South Florida. And I can personally assist and work with you throughout the process to find the right place to call home. So the home we're coming up to now is a tropical modern take on their most popular model across all of Southeast Florida, their Paige, which is going to give you around 2,500 square feet under air on just the first level, with incredibly high ceilings, 11.4 in the main living areas, and up to 15 feet in the foyer, with a huge open concept kitchen that overlooks the great room, lanai, and pool in the backyard. This particular model has been designed to be light, bright, and airy, with white porcelain floors in the main living area and wood in the bedrooms, an all-white kitchen with different textures from the acrylic base and wood slab island with a veining running down the waterfall. The den or office is off from the foyer, which is much more private, and this is a triple split floor plan, meaning each of the bedrooms are separated for maximum privacy. The master suite is in the rear with views of the pool and the preserve, and it has its own wet room with a freestanding tub in the shower for that contemporary modern look. And if you find yourself needing even more space, possibly an extra bedroom or bathroom, but really like the flow of this floor plan, they also have the option to add a second story bonus room, which adds another 400 square feet. This is also one of the few builders that allows you to build a pool alongside construction, and they are one of my personal favorite builders as they don't lock you into cookie cutter homes, but you're actually able to customize any of their floor plans in over 20 different ways to truly personalize your home to fit your family and lifestyle. And that's before you even get to the design studio, where they offer hundreds of finish options. Something else that I love that you may have not noticed is that they build with more windows and include more square footage of glass than most other builders in the area, filling their homes with more natural light. Now, if you like this home, you'll have a few different options. Where I'm at today in Palm Beach Gardens is within Avenir, so you'll have exclusive access to their new high-end resort club, and L'Ambiance itself has more protected nature preserves, which provides a lot of privacy and breathtaking views for the home sites that back up to that land. But if amenities and community are important, whether it's for golf, a busier active lifestyle, or something more exclusive like a country club, I can help you build the same model in Port St. Lucie at a lower price. And with respect to this community that they're building here in Palm Beach Gardens, Avenir is a master plan development that will have nearly 4,000 homes across 4,500 acres of lands, where they're building out multiple unique communities, a town center approved for retail, offices, dining, and entertainment. There will be nature preserves and walking trails, parks, and a high-end luxury golf club. A new charter school is in the works, along with a comprehensive medical campus within Avenir with a 53,000 square foot hospital with emergency services, plus 75,000 square feet of office space with primary care specialists and other outpatient services. There will be several private clubhouses for the residents in different phases of the development, each with their own resort pools, cabanas, splashpads, sports courts, playgrounds, and event hall and fitness centers. And the new clubhouse that will be finished this year for the newest phases will have its own full-service restaurant on site with a nail salon, massage rooms, sauna and steam rooms, and an indoor sports complex. Avenir is setting itself up to be the focus of luxury resort-style property in the Western Palm Beach area for the next decade. So if you're interested in scheduling a tour and want more information about this and other homes that they have available here in Avenir that I can help you build or that are move-in ready, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I don't work directly for the builder. I'm an independent realtor and can help work with you with any home or community that you ultimately decide to call your own. Whether you're looking at homes for sale or exclusively new construction, remember to call me before visiting any of the models on your own so that you will be able to receive representation when you're ready to make a move on the right home. I've worked with this builder extensively and have experience working with and bringing clients to each and every builder here in South Florida. There's a lot to take in exploring new developments, and I'm here to help make the process less stressful and break down everything for you. So there's a huge benefit to have me on your side to answer all of your questions about the process from beginning through closing. And the builders compensate me on your behalf for my professional services and guidance throughout the process. So if you're interested in this home or something similar to this anywhere in Palm Beach, you can reach out to me directly, and I personally would be able to work with and assist you throughout the entire process.